discuss the ecosystem, that is energy flow. Also continue the topic. Right, once you see beta. So this is food chains है. So already हम last classes में discuss किया था एक बार. Right, food chains देखो. It is a sequence of food chains means it is a sequence of living organisms. Sequence of living organisms which involve in the transfer of food or energy from producers through the series of organisms. Eating. इसमें स्टेटमेंट ऐसा ग्रामेटिकल स्टेटमेंट रहता बगैर इसमें कुछ भी नहीं है. जस्ट क्या बोले तो energy or food transfer from one organism to another organism or one trophic level to another trophic level, that is called as a food chain. ठीक है. It is a sequence of living organisms. It is a sequence of living organisms. Right. So it is a sequence of living organisms which involve the transfer of food, energy from producers through a series of organisms, which separated eating and also being eaten is called as a food chain. So it is a sequence of living organisms which involve transfer of food energy from producers through a series of organisms with separated eating and also being eaten is called as a food chain. Being eaten is called as a food chain. Okay. Next one, each level or step in a food chain. Each level or step in a food chain where transfer of energy takes place is called as a trophic level. Okay. Each level or step in a food takes place is called as a trophic level. ठीक है बेटा. Types of food chain. Second one is a detritus food chain. Third one is a parasitic food chain. It's three types right there, beta. So first one is called as a grazing food chain. Grazing food chain is also called as which one, beta? Predator food chain. And next detritus food chain, that is a saprophytic food chain. Detritus food chain, that is also called as a saprophytic food chain. Next one, parasitic food chain, that is a auxiliary food chain. Parasitic food chain, that is called as a auxiliary food chain. Okay. Grazing food chain, that is a predator food chain, and also detritus food chain, that is a saprophytic food chain, and also next parasitic food chain, that is called as a auxiliary food chain. Parasitic food chain, that is called as a auxiliary food chain. Types of food chains, three types रहता. Grazing, detritus, parasite. Grazing is a predator food chain, and detritus बोले तो saprophytic food chain, parasitic बोले तो auxiliary food chain. First one in this grazing food chain. Grazing food chain is called as GFC. Grazing food chain को क्या बोलते हैं बेटा हम? GFC बोलते हैं. GFC. ठीक है. Grazing food chain is a GFC one. So it consists of producers, consumers, decomposers. Producers, consumers, decomposers. These are the source of energy for food chain for the sun only. ठीक है. It's a which one बेटा? It is a source of energy one. Grazing food chain. It is actually consists of producers, consumers, decomposers. ठीक है. इसमें producers रहता, consumers रहता, decomposers रहता. So source of energy or food chain is a sun. Ultimately whatever it is बेटा, ecosystem का जो source of energy क्या बोले तो sun only. Every ecosystem, which one is a source of energy बोले तो that is a sun. Sun is a ultimate source of the energy one. And next one, primary producers. Primary producers, they are also called as autotrophic organisms. प्राइमरी प्रोड्यूसर्स का क्या बोलते हैं बेटा हम? ऑटोट्रोफिक ऑर्गेनिजम्स बोलते हैं. ऑटोट्रोफिक ऑर्गेनिज्म. प्राइमरी प्रोड्यूसर्स आर देयर ऑटोट्रोफिक ऑर्गेनिजम्स से फ्रॉम सोलर एनर्जी मैन्युफैक्चरिंग देयर ओन फूड मटेरियल. सोलर एनर्जी मैन्युफैक्चर्स देयर ओन फूड मटेरियल. First one is a primary producers. So they are autotrophic organisms. Primary producers, they are autotrophic organisms. And if solar energy is manufacturer, solar energy is manufacturing the food and also first trophic level. This is also called as which one beta? First trophic level. These producers are we can consider as a first trophic level. Primary producers, so they are the autotrophic organisms, and forms the solar manufacturer, and from the solar manufacturer food, and also next one they are the first trophic level. First trophic level we can indicate the T1. First trophic level we can indicate which one with the T1. Grazing food chain is consists of producers, consumers, producers, consumers, and decomposers. Producers, consumers, and decomposers. ठीक है. Primary producers, so they are the autotrophic organisms. Primary producers, they are autotrophic organisms, and from the solar energy their manufacturer own food material and first trophic level. Simply we can call it as a plant zone. ठीक है. Second one, primary consumer are herbivores. Second one, primary consumers are herbivores. Primary consumers are herbivores. So these are the animals feed on the green plants. These are the animals, they are feed on which one better? Green plants. These are the animals, they are feed on the green plants. And second trophic level, क्या बोलता है इसको? Second trophic level, that is a T2. Second trophic level we can call it as a T2. So primary consumers हो सकते हो, they are also called as a herbivores. Herbivores animals रहता heterotrophs है वो, heterotroph animals, and also they are belongs to which one better? Herbivores. Primary consumers and also herbivores. So these are the animals feed on the green plants only. These are the animals, they are feed on the which one better? Green plants. These are the animals, they are feed on the green plants only. And second trophic level, that is a T2. Second trophic level we can call as which one better? T2. Primary consumer, that is herbivores. These are animals. These are animals feed on the green plants. And second trophic level, that is a T2. Next, secondary consumers and primary carnivores. Next one, secondary consumers and primary carnivores. Secondary consumers are also primary carnivores. They are feed on the herbivores. They are feed on which one beta? Herbivores. They are feed on the herbivores. They are also called as a secondary consumers, or also we can call as a primary carnivore. Primary carnivore. Secondary consumer are also we can call as a primary carnivore. So they are feed on the herbivores and third trophic level. They are feed on the herbivores. They are the third trophic level. First trophic level is a primary producers, PP. Primary producers, PP is a first trophic level. And second trophic level, primary consumers. Second trophic level, primary consumers. And next one, third trophic level, secondary carnivores. Secondary carnivores. First one, primary producers, primary consumers, also called herbivores. Secondary consumers, also called primary carnivores. Tertiary consumers, also called secondary carnivores. Okay. So grazing food chain is a GFC. It consists of producers, consumers, and also decomposers. So it's a source of energy ultimately for food chain. It's a sun only. Okay. So it's my primary producers. They are the autotrophic organisms. Primary producers which are beta? Autotrophic organisms. From the solar energy, they are manufacturing the food material from the sun only. Ultimately, जो sun से absorption करके food material form करता है. So they are in first trophic level. Primary consumers, they are also known as the herbivores. Primary consumers का other name क्या है बेटा? Herbivores. ठीक है. So these are the animals feed on the green plants. These are the animals. They are which one? Feed on the green plants. These are the animals feed on the green plants. And second trophic level. चल बेटा, second trophic level, so that is T2. Next one, secondary consumers. These secondary consumers are also called as a primary carnivores. Secondary consumers, they are also called which one? Primary carnivores. So they are feed on the herbivores. They are feed on herbivores and third trophic level, that is a T3. Herbivores, that is a third trophic level, that is called as a T3. Primary consumers, secondary consumers. So they are primary carnivores. Next one, tertiary consumer, that is a secondary carnivore. Tertiary consumer, that is a secondary carnivore. So they are feed on the secondary consumers. This is a fourth trophic level. They are feed on the secondary consumers. Sorry, they are feed on the secondary consumers, and it is a fourth trophic level, that is called as a T4. So that is secondary carnivores. Okay, that is a continuation. Right, next one देखो. So this is actually diagrammatic representation दिया था हमारे NCERT में भी. सो टेरिशरी, फर्स्ट इधर से देखो, प्राइमरी प्रोड्यूसर्स, प्राइमरी कंज्यूमर, सेकेंडरी कंज्यूमर, टेरिशरी कंज्यूमर, ठीक है। प्राइमरी प्रोड्यूसर्स, प्राइमरी कंज्यूमर, सेकेंडरी कंज्यूमर, टेरिशरी कंज्यूमर्स, प्राइमरी प्रोड्यूसर, प्राइमरी कंज्यूमर, सेकेंडरी कंज्यूमर, टेरिशरी कंज्यूमर्स, ऐसे रहते। सो फर्स्ट ट्रोपिक लेवल ऑफ प्लांट्स, फर्स्ट ट्रोपिक लेवल में क्या रहता है बेटा, प्लांट्स रहता है प्रोड्यूसर से। एंड सेकंड ट्रोपिक लेवल्स दे आर हेर्बिवोर्स, सेकंड ट्रोपिक लेवल में क्या रहता है, हेर्बिवोर्स रहता है। नेक्स्ट वन थर्ड ट्रोपिक लेवल्स दे आर कार्निवोर्स, third tropic level they are carnivores only. Next fourth tropic level that is a top carnivores, top carnivores, ठीक है। प्राइमर, सेकेंडरी कंज्यूमर, tertiary consumers only. First tropic level of plants, second tropic level herbivores, third tropic level carnivores, fourth tropic level that is a top carnivores only, ठीक है। फर्स्ट ट्रोपिक लेवल प्लांट्स, सेकंड ट्रोपिक लेवल हेर्बिवोर्स, थर्ड ट्रोपिक लेवल कार्निवोर्स एंड फर्स्ट ट्रोपिक लेवल दैट इज ए टॉप कार्निवोर्स ओनली, ठीक है बेटा। सो इन दिस एक्चुअली फर्स्ट ट्रोपिक लेवल में फाइटोप्लैंक्टन्स इन एक्वाटिक इकोसिस्टम में समझो। सो ग्रेजिंग फूड चेन है, सो व्हाटएवर इट इज फूड चेन इज एक्वाटिक इकोसिस्टम, समझो। एक्वाटिक इकोसिस्टम में एक्चुअली दैट इज ए फाइटोप्लैंक्टन that occupies the first position in the aquatic food chain only. And grasses, one zooplanktons are in the aquatic ecosystem. Grasshoppers, herbivoric animals like a goat, fishes, wolf, primary consumers, ये क्या होता है, second consumers. And wolf, deer है समझो, rabbit है समझो। Next one, and which one, large fishes है समझो, that is aquatic ecosystem one. Few examples हमारा mention किया था। Levels, phytoplanktons, grasses and trees, zooplanktons, grasshopper and crow, birds and fishes, wolf, and also man and lion. Wait a minute. Voice का problem आ रहा है क्या बेटा किनको? Is there any problem of voice from my side? Right. Next one देखो, एक बार देखता हूँ मैं भी। नेक्स्ट वन देखो, टेरिस्ट्रियल फूड चेन है, टेरिस्ट्रियल फूड चेन, टेरिस्ट्रियल फूड चेन, ठीक है। वंस आई विल चेक एंड आई विल इन्फॉर्म। देखो बेटा, टेरिस्ट्रियल फूड चेन है, सो द grasshoppers, frog, snake and eagle. Grasshoppers, frog, snake and eagle, these all are comes under the terrestrial food chain only. All are comes under which one beta, terrestrial food chain. So terrestrial food chain mein grass is a primary producer hai, and grasshopper is a primary herbivore, and frog is a primary secondary consumer, tertiary consumer, top carnivore, ठीक है। grass is a pp primary producer Steven, grasshopper is a PC primary consumer, that is snake is a tertiary consumer, that is a top consumer, that is a T5. Grass is a PP primary producers, that is a T1, and grasshopper is a PC primary consumer, that is a T2, and frog is a secondary consumer, that is a T3, and snake is a tertiary consumer, that is a T4, and eagle is a top consumer, that is a T5, that is terrestrial food chain. And next one, aquatic food chain. Aquatic food chain बोले तो that is a phytoplanktons to zooplanktons to small fishes to large fishes. That is phytoplanktons T1, zooplanktons T2, small fishes T3, large fishes T4. ठीक है, phytoplanktons T1, zooplanktons T2, small fishes T3, large fishes T4. ठीक है. Phytoplanktons, zooplanktons, small fishes, large fishes, their aquatic food chain. Next, size of organisms are commonly increases the higher trophic level. Size of organism is commonly increases the higher trophic level. देखो बेटा कभी भी एक ग्रेजिंग फूड चेन में क्या होता, हायर ट्रोपिकल ऑर्गेनिजम्स रहता, देखो उसका साइज इंक्रीज होते रहता है. फॉर एग्जांपल फाइटोप्लैंक्टन्स का साइज कम रहता है बेटा, अगर जू प्लैंक्टन्स इससे बड़ा रहता थोड़ा. जू प्लैंक्टन्स के बाद नेक्स्ट वन स्मॉल फिशेस का साइज थोड़ा लार्जर एंड आल्सो लार्ज फिशेस रहते. तो साइज ऑफ ऑर्गेनिजम्स क्या हो रहा है, ग्रेजुअली इंक्रीज हो रहा है. सो इसमें देखो ग्रास, ग्रास हापर, फ्रॉग, स्नेक, ईगल, दैट इज अ टेरेस्ट्रियल फूड चेन. ठीक है. राइट. नेक्स्ट वन डेट्रिटस फूड चेन. नेक्स्ट वन देखो बेटा डेट्रिटस फूड चेन. डेट्रिटस फूड चेन बोले तो that is actually begins with the detritus or dead and decomposed organic matter. ठीक है. So actually this food chain, detritus food chain, is begins with detritus or dead organic matter. कैसे कहाँ से चालू होता है? डेड ऑर्गेनिक मैटर, इट्स ए प्राइमरी फूड सोर्स है. एक्चुअली जो फोटोसिंथेसिस प्लांट्स रहता देखो वो अलग फूड सोर्सेस है. सो इसमें क्या होता है डेट्रिटस फूड चेन बोले तो इट बिगिंस विद द डेट्रिटस और डेड ऑर्गेनिक मैटर. It begins with the detritus and also dead organic matter. The dead organic matter is a food chain will going to begins with the detritus or dead organic matter. ठीक है. And made of decomposers with heterotrophic organisms, fungi and bacteria. ठीक है. It begins with the detritus or dead organic matter. Detritus or dead organic matter. That is begins with the detritus or dead organic matter. That is detritus food chain. ठीक है. And made of decomposers with heterotrophic organisms only. It is made of decomposers. Made of decomposers. It's a made of decomposers with heterotrophic organisms with fungi and bacteria. Heterotrophic organisms with fungi and bacteria only. It's a made of decomposers with heterotrophic organisms, that is fungi and bacteria only. So detrivore, they are also called decomposers. Decomposers are consumed. तो इसमें क्या हो रहा है एक्चुअली मेजर फूड सोर्स इज ए डेट्रिटस और डेड एंड डिकेइंग एंड डिकम्पोज्ड ऑर्गेनिक मटेरियल. डेड एंड डिकेइंग डिकम्पोजिंग ऑर्गेनिक मटेरियल इज कॉल्ड एज अ डेट्रिटस. द मेड ऑफ डिकम्पोजर्स व्हिच हेटेरोट्रोफिक ऑर्गेनिजम्स. Made of decomposers, they are the heterotrophic organisms like a fungi and bacteria. So detrivore is decomposers or they are consumed. Detrivore बोले तो small microorganisms से बोले तो microorganism, fungi, bacteria, and also earthworm and also insects. They are also comes under the detrivore. ये क्या करते हैं बेटा, ऑर्गेनिक मटेरियल का डिकम्पोज करता है, इसके साथ जो फूड मटेरियल जैसे भी लेता है वो. ठीक है. सो डिकम्पोजेस आर कंज्यूम्ड by a smaller carnivore, which turn becomes a food for the larger carnivores. So a food material जैसे लेके and next other organisms के लिए रेडी करता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल डेट्रिटस है जो अर्थवर्म इट इज फूड मटेरियल जैसे लिया. फिर नेक्स्ट वन स्पैरो बोले तो इज अ स्मॉल बर्ड, स्पैरो इज फीड ऑन द अर्थवर्म्स ओनली. नेक्स्ट वन फाल्कन इज ए लार्ज बर्ड. इसमें क्या हुआ था बेटा, actually detritus is a food source. This detritus is taken by the earthworm. Detritus is who's taken by the earthworm. Earthworm से sparrow to falcon. So this is a one kind of the food chain name. This is called as a detritus food chain. It begins with the detritus or dead and organic matter. Begins with the detritus, dead and organic matter, and made of the decomposer with heterotrophic organisms, that is fungi and bacteria. So detrivore decomposes are consumed by a smaller carnivore, which turn become food for the larger carnivores. Detritus, earthworm, sparrow, falcon, and more energy is transferred in terrestrial ecosystem. More energy is transferred in terrestrial ecosystem, that is DFC is than GFC. ठीक है. So the more energy is transferred in the terrestrial ecosystem DFC than the GFC. पता है ऑलरेडी जीएफसी से एक्चुअली ज्यादा एनर्जी ट्रांसफर. डीएफसी ट्रांसफर्स द मोर ऑन और कंपेयर टू द जीएफसी ग्रेजिंग फूड चेन से कंपेयर किया तो द एनर्जी ट्रांसफर ज्यादा डेट्रिटस फूड चेन से होता है. क्या बोले तो इट इज डिकम्पोजिंग मटेरियल है, डिकम्पोज्ड मटेरियल है, सो इसके साथ ज्यादा एनर्जी ट्रांसफर होता. सो डीएफसी इज ट्रांसफर्स द मोर एनर्जी ओनली. ठीक है. Detritus food chain, it begins with the detritus or dead organic matter and also made of the decomposed and also with heterotrophic organisms, fungi and bacteria. And also next one, detrivore is decomposes or consumed. And next one by smaller carnivores, which turn become the food for the larger carnivores only. Detritus to earthworm, earthworm to sparrow, sparrow to falcon. So more energy is transferred in the DFC only. The detritus food chain से एनर्जी ज्यादा ट्रांसफर होता है. ठीक है, बाय. नेक्स्ट इसका कंटिन्यूएशन. Right, next one, another one देखो, that is parasitic food chain or axillary food chain only. Third one, total DFC, GFC, GFC grazing food chain है. Second one detritus food chain है. Third one is a parasitic food chain only. So this is axillary food chain or parasitic food chain. The size of organisms finally reduces. The size of organisms finally reduces at higher trophic levels. Size of organisms finally reduces. Size of organisms finally reduces at higher trophic levels. To herbivores. So that is actually parasitic food chain. This parasitic food chain बोले तो that is axillary food chain. Parasitic food chain, that is axillary. Size of organisms finally reduces at higher trophic levels. Size of organisms finally reduces at higher trophic levels. That is a parasite. Example: tree, herbivore birds, lice, and also bugs only. Okay. So that is actually size of organisms finally reduces at higher trophic levels. That is a parasite. Example: tree to herbivore birds and also lice and also bugs only. So इसमें देखो parasitic food chain में क्या हो रहा है बेटा? Number of organisms will going are decreases, but now the number of organisms will going to increases. So इससे पहले क्वेश्चन आया था, food chain the number of organisms will going to increases बोले तो that is parasitic food chain on. कैसे बोले तो for example a one tree, single tree, and tree is actually herbivore birds. इसके ऊपर depends on one herbivore bird. This herbivore birds ने actually इसके ऊपर lice and bugs, more number of lice and more number of bugs are there present. ठीक है बेटा. So that is actually food chain is a axillary food chain are also called as a parasitic food chain. Axillary food chain बोलता है इसको. Excuse me. Tree, herbivoric birds and also lice and bugs. Tree is a one tree. इसके ऊपर more number of birds are living and also more number of lice and bugs are there associated with the birds only. So that is a parasitism. Lice and bugs बोले तो ectoparasitism. Ectoparasitism. Human is also comes under the ectoparasitism. We are feed on the plants. ठीक है. And also हमारे ऊपर lice and bugs, lice रहते ना. Generally head lices. Head lices are considered as ectoparasites only. So this is also parasitic food chain. Right, see, parasitic food chain or axillary food chain. The size of organisms are finally reduced at higher trophic levels. That is a parasite. The tree, herbivore birds, and also lice and bugs. Okay. Next one, food web. Next one, food web. Food web बोले तो DFC may connected with GFC. बोले तो detritus food chain may be connected with the grazing food chain. बर्ड साइज समझो बेटा. ग्रेजिंग फूड चेन है. सो ग्रेजिंग detritus food chain also. क्या बोले तो अगर earthworms are eaten by the birds. ठीक है. सो इधर क्या हो रहा? DFC. What is DFC? Detritus food chain. And also दो आर इंटरकनेक्टेड है. क्या बोले तो इसमें एनिमल्स कभी भी इंटरकनेक्ट हो जाता. बोले तो हम जो एग्जांपल में दे रहे हैं ऐसा, फिर इसके बाद अर्थवर्म है. Frogs are eaten by the eagle, ठीक है, और snakes are eaten by the mongoose. और फॉर एग्जांपल अर्थवर्म से जो फ्रॉग आया समझो, so that earthworms are there, the earthworms are eaten by the birds, the earthworms are eaten by the another birds. ऐसे क्या हो रहा है एक्चुअली? सो एक सीक्वेंशियल फूड, सीक्वेंशियल ऑर्गेनिजम्स है, बट दिस सीक्वेंशियल ऑर्गेनिजम्स आर कभी भी इंटरकनेक्ट होता, क्या बोले तो दे आर गोइंग टू डिपेंड्स ऑन द इंटरकनेक्शन ऑफ द फूड चेन. जो इंटरकनेक्शन ऑफ द फूड चेन से क्या होता, एक के साथ एक क्या होता है बेटा, चांसेस फूड वेब है. सो डीएफसी में कनेक्टेड विद द जीएफसी, ठीक है, डीएफसी में कनेक्ट with the GF, ठीक है, EFC get food web. DFC make some of the organisms of DFC are prey to the GFC animals. Very simple बेटा, DFC का GFC का इंटरकनेक्शन रहता है, जो इसमें एनिमल उधर भी प्रे हो सकते, so that is called as a food web. So the network of interconnected food chain at different trophic levels, the network of interconnected food chains at different trophic levels in a biotic community is termed as a food web. ठीक है, levels in a biotic, a network of interconnected food chains, network of interconnected food chains, the network of interconnected food chains at the different trophic levels, at the different trophic levels in a biotic community is termed as a food web. ठीक है, the network of interconnected food chains at the different trophic levels in a biotic community is termed as a food web. ठीक है, next one, food web is provide the stability to ecosystem. Food web is provide the stability to ecosystem, ठीक है. And next one, frogs and carnivores. Snake and the mice, that is herbivore, and frogs are, that depends on the frogs are, they are the carnivores. बोले तो mice is a herbivore, it is comes from the GFC, and frog is also one of the part of the GFC हो सकते, one of the part of the DFC हो सकते, ठीक है. सो इसमें क्या हो रहा है बेटा, इंटरकनेक्ट हो रहा है. नेक्स्ट वन फॉर एग्जांपल देखो, जैकल्स आर द बोथ कार्निवोर एंड स्कैवेंजर, both carnivore and scavenger. Jackals is a carnivore जैसा, scavenger जैसा है. Next one, sparrow is a primary consumer. Sparrow is a primary consumer when it is feed on the eats on seeds. ठीक है, sparrow is a primary consumer when it eats or seeds fruit. ठीक है, seeds खाता है and also fruits भी खाता है. So as a secondary and what? Secondary consumer में actually it is feed on the insects and as well as the worms also. ठीक है, अगर प्राइमरी कंज्यूमर है तो दे आर फीड ऑन द सीड्स, दे आर फीड ऑन द फ्रूट्स डायरेक्टली ऑन द प्लांट्स. सेकंड ट्रोपिक लेवल होता है, ठीक है. अगर व्हेन इट इज थर्ड ट्रोपिक लेवल में इट फीड ऑन द इंसेक्ट्स एंड आल्सो वर्म्स. थर्ड ट्रोपिक लेवल कैसे होता, फॉर एग्जांपल ग्रास हॉपर, देन थर्ड ट्रोपिक लेवल में इंसेक्ट, ग्रास हॉपर इज ए इंसेक्ट, इट इज प्रेजेंट इन द स्पैरो. सो वन फूड चेन में सेकंड ट्रोपिक लेवल में है, अनदर फूड चेन are interconnected. They are interconnected. That is called as a food web only. ठीक है, food web DFC may connected with GFC at some levels. At some levels only. So some organisms of DFC with GFC and few organisms of DFC they are prey to the GFC only. Detritus food chain का जो organisms रहता, this detritus food chain का organism grazing food chain से connect हो सकता, ठीक है. So this can interconnection of the different kind of the food chains, that is called as a food web only. Okay, so that is interconnected of the food chains, interconnection of the different trophic levels in a biotic community is termed as a food web. the network of interconnected food chains at different trophic levels. Food chain at different trophic levels in a biotic community, and it is termed as a food web. Termed as a which one? Food web. Okay. And food web is provide the stability to ecosystem. Food web provides which one beta? Stability to ecosystem. This food web is provide the stability to ecosystem. And also example that snakes feed on the mice, that is a herbivore, and also they feed on the frogs, that is a carnivore, and jackals are both carnivore and scavengers. Jackals both carnivore and scavengers. So, okay. Next one, primary sparrow is a primary consumer when it eats seeds and fruits, and also secondary consumer when it eats and insects and also wormwood. Okay. Sparrow is a primary consumer when it eats seeds and fruits, etc. And the secondary consumer when it eats and insects and wormwood. So that is a food web. Okay. Right. This is about the food web. And next lecture will start at the 8:45. MCQ discuss करेंगे. We'll start at the 8:45.